Hi everyone, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. At ito na nga pinost ni Kenzie kanina sa kanyang Instagram story sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport Terminal 3. So hindi natin alam kung si David yung aalis or siya kasi nag-salute siya at saka airplane. At si Barbie Fortesa naman ay naka-Instagram story ng Beauty Empire shoot. So kung sakaling si David ngayon umalis papuntang Australia, parang di nga kasama si Barbie. Samantalang si James ay nagpa-pie paid ad at saka si Tito Jack naman nag-katsudon specialty shop. So nalilito tuloy ako kung si David nga umalis or si Kenzie. Kasi uwi ng papuntang Japan si Kenz. At next nga ay may nag-comment nga sa post ni Dennis Trillo sa Facebook. Sabi, I'm looking for a Philippine husband. Anybody interested? Please inbox me. At nag-reply naman si Dennis ng I'm already taken. So, try David Licauco. Ay ba? Nilala ko si David Licauco kasi single pa rin. Grabe. At next nga ay post ni Genre, Barbie Fortesa on Stylish Magazine. Ay nga, Barbie Fortesa on Stylish Magazine on her inner beauty, fiercer mindset, and new territories. Ayan, napaka-pretty ni Barbie dito, oh, di ba? Parang Marilyn Monroe ng konti yung style. Ayan na nga. Oh, di ba? Pang 70s look yung parang fashion 70s yung looks niya dito, di ba? I so love it. So more pictures. Ito nga yung nag-video greet si Barbie tungkol dun sa pag-launch sa MediaCon nung I Think I Love You ni David Licauco. So ito yung suit niya, guys. Ayan na. I also like this picture. Ang pretty niya dito. At ito nga yung part of the article. Sabi niya dito, Barbie is Noreen Alfonso, an aspiring beauty entrepreneur who also dabs in being a beauty influencer. She's sweet, a girl who suddenly had to make big decisions in life to avenge her murdered sister. Noreen Alfonso in Beauty Empire uses her being an underdog as to her advantage. She competes with Shari, the character of Kailin Alcantara. Parang pinapalabas ni Noreen kasi palagi na ang magaling, ang matalino at ang nakakaisa ay si Shari without Shari knowing as she's doing a lot. It is very interesting character. My character has a lot of layers. Our show Beauty Empire is very interesting. We tackle beauty and its core. We will also tackle about family murder. We will really go there. We will go that dark and we will also show a little bit of love angle too. Oy, wow. So sino kaya ang ka-love angle ni Barbie Fortesa doon? Si Sam Concepcion or si Choi Bumin? Or ang guest na si David? Although guest lang na siya. O, di ba? Abangan. Actually, may alam na ako pero hindi ko sasabihin. Siyempre, manood kayo, no? At ito Instagram post ng View Philippines. She's not just the CEO of Halina Beauty. She is the main ingredient of it all. Beauty Empire streaming June 16 on View.
I'm Noreen Alfonso. Noreen certified. Maganda. Manipis. Sobrang Latina. CEO of Halina Beauty. Self-made, self-funded, self-aware. Na, obviously, ang pinakamaganda sa boardroom. Former rakitera, now, a prestige product. I am the reason kung bakit may sold out in 3 minutes. Because I'm not just the CEO. I'm the main ingredient of it all. Beauty Empire, streaming soon on View.
At next naman ay post ng Avignon Clinic. When Barbie Fortesa speaks, we listen. And when her skin glows like this, we ask for the receipt. The first time I tried Thermage FLX, I was honestly amazed at how natural and lifted my skin look without surgery or downtime. It's a non-invasive, safe, and with no downtime. Now that's what we call glow up goals. Zero needles, zero downtime, 100% confidence. Try Thermage FLX at Avignon Clinic and feel the difference for yourself.
Life gets hectic. Taping schedules, events, and long hours on set. But in between all of that, I always remind myself I deserve to feel good in my own skin. This is the first time I tried Thermage FLX, and I was honestly amazed at how natural and lifted my skin looked without surgery or downtime. Thermage FLX uses radio frequency energy to heat the deeper layers of your skin. That stimulates collagen production, which leads to tighter, smoother skin over time. It's non-invasive, safe, and with no downtime.
At next na ay tama nga yung hinala ng friend ko na June 10 pala ay ang pagpasok ni Barbie Fortesa sa PBB house pero discharge din yun ni Jimin. At yun nga, pinost nga ni Genre ang mga pictures ni Barbie sa harap ng bahay ni Kuya. Kaya lang, wala siya yung yung nilagyan ng piring at pinapasok sa bahay ni Kuya. So, basta na lang pumasok si Barbie at ginising ang mga housemates. At ito nga yung ilan sa mga parts na hindi ko nasama doon sa una kong video. Let's watch this.
Oh! You know, parang kanina lang na nag-start tayo sa 1. But di ba step by the step yung success?
Hey,
Pabot
Barbie!
tayo ng 8. Hey, Barbie!
Hey, Barbie!
Walang Ken, wala. Barbie lahat. Second na to. With the pink shorts. With the pink shorts. Oh!
Ay, oh. Sorry naman dyan.
Ayun na nga yung usapan kasi, wala daw Ken si Barbie, puro Barbie lang daw. Tapos yun biglang may nagkanta ng I Think I Love You. I think si Shubi yun. Tapos nagsorry naman din si Barbie. Bakit magsorry ba si Barbie? Ano bang meron?
Ate Barbie, I was supposed to part
At ilan taon ba?
26.
Oh God. Okay, sige.
Oh my! Parang ako din.
Si River guys yung nagsasalita nung una, hindi lang pinakita sa camera.
I was supposed to be part of that kind of love. Ako dapat ka-date mo sa restaurant.
Okay. Oh,
I got
ano
the script
nangyari?
na
Ayun na nga, so si River pala dapat yung ka-date ni Mila sa restaurant. Kaya lang ano nangyari?
everything, pero I have to
May gagawin.
fly to the States. So I had to cancel like a few days before.
Sayang, mutik na pala tayo magka-work.
Ayun na nga, sayang. Sana medyo napaisip tayo kung si River ba o si Adam ba yung gusto natin para kay Mila. Nagkaroon ng choices.
Okay lang naman.
Ako din po. Malapit na, like sobrang lapit. Pero pumasok na po ako dito.
This year.
Miss Garlic.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Hindi ko gets yung kay Esnir, Miss Garlic daw. Baka sa Beauty Empire siya dapat, kasama din dapat. Pero, hindi lang, nakapasok kasi nag-PBB si Esnir.
Okay, oh wow. O baka sign na to, kailangan i-manifest natin magkaka-work tayong lahat ha.
Oo nga. Kaya gusto ko talaga pag nag-vlog si Barbie kasama yung mga PBB housemates. Last na si Esnir, si Ate Klang, si Bianca, si Shubi, si AZ. Lahat na.
Tower call!
Barbie.
Inihahanda. Sweet mo naman kuya. Single ka ba? Charot.
Ay, grabe Pati si Kuya Barbie. Balak mo jowain, ganon. Hindi ka na nahiya kay Dustin, tsaka kay David.
Ay, sorry. Sorry. Kasi ko lang kuya.
Ayun na nga, nakaharap nga si Dustin at napatango siya at napasorry si Barbie. So mapapaisip ka, ba't pa kailangan mag-sorry ni Barbie? Single naman siya, di ba? Grabe. Ayun na nga yung reaction ni Will Ashley at saka ni Dustin Yu. At napatango nga si Dustin Yu. Grabe, Barbara, isipin mo may bantay ka dyan sa bahay ni Kuya.
Single ka ba?
I love
I
the
love it.
transition.
Thank you po kuya.
At next nga yung tweet ni Amy, Barbie was only there for a few hours but she effortlessly connected with all of the housemates. You could tell they genuinely loved her and enjoyed her presence. Sana talaga acting task na lang ang pinagawa sa kanya, Doon siya sigurado magsha-shine. At next naman ay tweet ni Pinoy Big Brother Updates. Weird kasi kung sino pa yung house guest na deserve tumagal, yun yung nagmarathon lang sa PBB. Si Barbie bet going UP Diliman, yung pool area ng PBB. Sis, di ka man lang nag-sleep over. At may cry emoji nga si PBB Updates. Grabe. Actually, wish ko rin kahit paano sana nagtagal si Barbie doon. Kasi, napasaya niya yung housemates. Tapos pati tayo napasaya niya. Napatawa niya tayo. Sila nila Klang at saka Esnir. At next nga ay nag-tweet nga si Barbie Fortesa, "Hi everyone, hope you are all having a great day. This is the only donation drive that I support po. Thank you so much po, Barbie Natics, for organizing a purposeful program for our get-together." And another tweet from Barbie Fortesa, "Thank you Barda Elites for your efforts. I appreciate your support. Truly, I'm coming from a place of love. I hope to get to use this amount for a greater cause, like programs that could help others. Paying it forward and turn the donations into something more meaningful." At grabe nga yung Barda Elites, nag-ano nga sila, 50,000 na donation. Grabe, ang big time talaga ng mga yun. Sana all. At next nga tweet ni My Precious One, "Shutakels naman napaka-cute ng baby David." Oo nga, ang cute. Ang ganda ng mata niya. Ayan na nga, the very cute David Licauco and the late Sir Jaime Licauco. At ito nga guys, kaka-post lang ni Kenzie. So, meron siyang pinost sa kanyang parang broadcast channel sa Instagram na, "I'm going back to my home country for a few weeks. Have a great day to all." Ayun na nga. So, dahil nga magtatagal nga si David sa Australia, ay magpapahinga muna si Kenzie. Babalik ng Japan. Sakay ng Cebu. At next nga ay more pictures of David Licauco for Glutalite. Ayan, fit, fresh, and flawless. Sikreto ng mga Ginoo. Ayan na, the very cute David Licauco. So, pupunta muna siyang Australia bago siya mag-start mag-shooting. Alam ko Beauty Empire pa rin. Wala namang sinabing may bago siyang ibang teleserye, no? Alam ko Beauty Empire lang, guys. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barda updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!